Our ancestors looked to the stars with wonder. They recorded tales of celestial beings who descended from the heavens, possessing advanced knowledge and technology. Could these stories be more than mere myths? What if they were echoes of actual encounters? Encounters with extraterrestrial visitors who shaped our past? Across the globe, ancient cultures share strikingly similar narratives. These narratives speak of gods who came from the sky, imparting wisdom and skills to early humans. The Sumerian civilization in particular left behind detailed accounts of the Anunnaki, a race of powerful beings from a distant planet called Nibiru. According to Sumerian texts, the Anunnaki played a pivotal role in our own genesis. They were masters of genetic engineering. These accounts challenge conventional views of human history. They suggest that our understanding of the past is incomplete. Could it be that we are not alone in the vast universe? Is it possible that our very existence is intertwined with that of advanced extraterrestrial civilizations? The evidence, hidden in plain sight within ancient texts and archaeological discoveries, suggests a compelling possibility. We are not just the product of random evolution. We might be the legacy of a grand celestial experiment. The implications of this are far-reaching. If true, it would require us to rewrite our history books. It would force us to confront the possibility that we are not the pinnacle of creation. It would mean that our place in the cosmos is far more complex and intriguing than we ever imagined. Let us delve deeper into the enigma of the Anunnaki and their alleged role in our origins. Let us explore the evidence and ponder the profound implications for humanity's past, present, and future. The Anunnaki were not gods in the traditional sense. They were flesh and blood beings. However, their technological prowess must have seemed godlike to our primitive ancestors. The Sumerian texts describe them as highly advanced. They possessed knowledge far beyond that of early humans. Their capabilities included the manipulation of life itself. According to Sumerian accounts, the Anunnaki came to Earth seeking gold. They needed it to replenish their dwindling atmosphere. They established sophisticated mining operations. However, they faced a labor shortage. It was then that Enki, their chief scientist, proposed a radical solution to create a new race of beings. These beings would be strong enough for labor, but subservient to the Anunnaki. Enki's solution involved genetic manipulation. He combined elements of his own Anunnaki DNA with that of the hominids already present on Earth. This, according to Sumerian texts, was the genesis of Homo sapiens. We were created in their image, not literally, but genetically. We were designed to serve, to toil in their minds and ease their burdens. This narrative, though fantastical, offers a compelling explanation for the sudden leap in human evolution. It explains the emergence of our intelligence and our capacity for complex thought. It also accounts for the inherent duality within us, our capacity for great good and terrible evil. We are, after all, the product of both celestial engineering and earthly instincts. The Anunnaki, in their quest for a workforce, may have inadvertently sown the seeds for a civilization destined to surpass them. The Sumerian creation myth speaks of Adamu, the first human being, created by the Anunnaki in their own image. This narrative resonates with biblical accounts of Adam, suggesting a common origin for these stories. Could Adamu be the prototype for modern humans? Was he the product of advanced genetic engineering? The Sumerian texts describe in detail the process of Adamu's creation, involving a combination of divine essence and earthly clay. This mirrors modern genetic engineering techniques, where scientists manipulate DNA to create new life forms. Is it possible that the Anunnaki possessed such advanced technology millennia ago? The similarities between ancient texts and modern science are striking. Could it be that what we perceive as mythology is actually a record of advanced scientific knowledge? Perhaps the Anunnaki, in their interactions with our ancestors, passed down fragments of their understanding. These fragments were then woven into the fabric of our myths and legends. The Adamu project, if it did occur, raises profound questions about our place in the universe. It suggests that we are not merely the product of random evolution, We are the result of a deliberate act of creation. We are the inheritors of a celestial legacy. This legacy is encoded within our very DNA. It is a legacy that we are only beginning to understand. The human genome is a vast and complex library. It contains the blueprint for our species. Within its intricate code lie secrets of our origins. Scientists have long puzzled over the sudden leap in human intelligence, which occurred roughly 200,000 years ago. Could the answer lie not in random mutations, but in deliberate genetic manipulation? Some researchers believe that certain anomalies in our DNA point to extraterrestrial intervention. For instance, the human genome contains 223 genes that have no known predecessors. These genes appear to have been inserted into our DNA. They did not evolve naturally. This suggests the possibility of genetic engineering by an advanced intelligence. Furthermore, the fusion of chromosome 2 in humans is unique among primates. This fusion is essential for human development. It suggests a deliberate alteration of our genetic makeup. Could this be the fingerprint of the Anunnaki, a sign of their handiwork in our very cells? While mainstream science remains skeptical, the evidence is mounting. It suggests that our origins are far more complex and intriguing than previously thought. The possibility of ancient genetic engineering by advanced extraterrestrials should not be dismissed. It should be investigated with an open mind and a thirst for knowledge. The answers we seek may lie hidden within our own DNA. They may hold the key to unlocking the mysteries of our past and illuminating the path to our future.